Hi everyone, welcome back to Upper Public School online classes. This is Seema KN, your maths mentor of grade 3. So in last class we have completed the revision, that is lesson number 5, division. So today in this session we are going to revise the lesson multiplication, lesson number 4. So already I have studied in the Google Classroom. In this session, briefly I am revising all the concept. What is the first concept? Multiply 3-digit number by 1 digit. First is multiplying 3-digit number by 1-digit number. So what is 3-digit number? The number having the 3 digit. For example, 252. What is 252 here? 250 is the 3-digit number. For 3-digit number, we are multiplying by 1 digit. Multiply 2. So multiplying 3-digit number by 1 digit number. How will you multiply? First, put the place value chart. 100, tens, ones, because 3 numbers are there. Write the numbers in the place value. Here 2 is in a 100 place, 5 is in a tens place, and 2 is in a ones place. Multiply by 2. So 2 here it is a ones place. Multiply. First we have to multiply ones place with the ones place, then ones place with the tens place, then ones place with the hundreds place. Yes, 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. Yes, you are multiplying ones place with the ones place. 2 twos are 4. Write in a ones place. Yes, 2 twos are 4. It is a ones place. Next you are multiplying with the tens place. 5 twos are 10. Yes, here 10. Which number should be down? Which number should be carry here? Here ones place always in a down. Tens place is carry. You have to put the carry forward number. Which is the forward number here? Hundreds place. Yes, you are multiplying with the tens place and you have putting the carry into next place. Which is the next place here? 100. Yes, 5 twos are or 2 fives are 10. So first ones place always write down the tens place. You have to put the carry forward. Here 1 is the carry. Where we put the carry here? Na forward number. Which is the forward number here? Tens place. Put the carry. Yes. Next multiply with the hundreds place. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. You write 4 here? No. Why? The one number is there. What we have to do? We have to add 4 plus 1. We have to add the carry. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1. 5. Write in a 100 place. In which place you are multiplying? That place you have to write. 2 twos are 4. Ones place. 2 fives are 10. It is a tens place. 1 is carry forward. Next, we have kept the carry in the 100 place. Then we have multiplied with the hundreds place. 2 twos are 4. Then we have added the carry. 4 plus 1, 5. We have written in the hundreds place. This is the product. What we call it is? We call it as the product. So these two are the factors. How we get the product? By multiplying any two numbers, we get the product. Yes, Each number is called as the factors. These are called as the factors. This is also a factor. These two are the factors. If you multiply the two factors, we got the product. The answer is called as the product. Yes, these two numbers are the factors. So, I have taken the example 252 multiplied by 2. Next is one more example 200 into 5. Again we are multiplying 3-digit number by 1 digit. So again write the place value 100 tens ones. Why 100 tens plus? That is a 3-digit number. Write the number in a place. 2 is in a 100 place. 0 is in a tens place. 1 more 0 is in a ones place. So next we are multiplying with the single digit number, that is 5. Put the symbol. Here the symbol indicates the multiplication symbol. The X indicates the capital X indicates the multiplication symbol. Multiply 5 into 0. 5 into 0 is 0. 5 into 0 again it is a 0. So 5 2 is a 10. Why we wrote 10 directly here? Because there is no next number here. If it is a 1000 place, we keep the 1 as the carry. Here there is no next number. We write the directly 10 in the hundreds place. So here 1000 is the product. Yes. So this is about the multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Next is properties of multiplication. You know the properties of multiplication? Yes. What is the first property? The first property first. What is the first property? If you multiply any number with 1, multiply any number with 1, we get the same number as the product. Yes, multiply any number by 1, we get the same number as the product. This is the property 1. For example, so here we are multiplying 3 with the 1. We get the same number as the product. One more example. 5 ones are 5. We are multiplying 1 number with the 5. 5 ones are 5. Multiply any number with the 1. We get the same number as the quotient. So this is the property number 1. Property number 2. What is the property number 2? If we multiply any number with the 0, we get the 0 as the product. Yes? If we multiply any number by 0, we get the 0 as the product. For example, 2 into 0. Then what we are doing? We are multiplying 0 by 2 or 2 into 0. We get the 0 as the product. Yes. One more example. 9 into 0. Again we are multiplying by 0. If we multiply any number by 0, we get the 0 as the product. 9 into 0 is 0. This is about the property number 2. Property 3. Property number 3. Property number 3, what it explains? If we multiply the two numbers, 2 3s, multiply the numbers, we get the product. Multiply the number 2 3s 6. multiply the two factors, we get the product. You may multiply 2 3s are 6 or 3 2s are 6. This is about the property number 3. Vice versa. You may multiply 2 3s are 6 or 3 2s are 6 alternatively. Yes. So this is the property number 3. So these three are the properties of multiplication. The first property is multiply by any number by 1, we get the same number as the product. Property number 2, if you multiply any number by 0, we get the 0 as the product. Property number 3, you multiply the factors in a vice versa. You may multiply 2 3s or 3 2s. Yes. So this is the properties of multiplication. Next is multiplying by tens. Multiplying by tens up to 90. Why not 100? So 100 is the 3-digit number. Here we are multiplying the 2-digit number, that is from 10 to 90. So multiplication, multiplying by tens up to 90. Yes. For example, 82 into 10. Here we are multiplying by 2 digit by 2 digit. Yes. 10 is a 2-digit number. Yes. 82 is also a 2-digit number. Write the place value. Tens, ones. Only 2 places are there. Tens and ones. Tens, ones. Write the 2 places. Then you write the number in a place. Here 8 is in a tens place and 2 is in a ones place. Multiply by again 10. Yes. 82 into 10. First we have to multiply with the ones place. Which is the ones place here? 0. Yes. First we have to multiply with the ones place, then we have to multiply with the tens place. Here ones place is 0. Multiply 0 into 2. So 0 into 2 is 0. So this is the property number 2. Here we are using the multiplication properties. Property number 2. If we multiply any number by 0, we will get the 0 as the product. So 0 into 2 is 0. Again 0 into 8 is 0. Again we are using the same property. Yes. So here ones place is over. Next we are doing a multiplication of tens place. So multiply with the tens place. 1 2s are 2. Which property it is? Property number 1. If we multiply any number with the 1, we get the same number as the product. So 1 2s are 2. Yes. Again 1 8s are 8. So here it is in a hundreds place. Write hundreds place. Here 8 is in a hundreds place. Yes. Next, what we have to do? We know multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition. Multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition. Here we have to add. Yes, we have to add these two numbers. 0 keep as it is because no number is there here. Because it is in a ones place. 0 plus anything is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Next is 8. So this is our required product. We have did the multiplication of 82 into 10. Yes. 2 digit into 2 digit. Yes. So 82 into 10. Multiply any number by 0. We'll get the 0 as the product. Multiply any number by 1. We'll get the same number as the product. Then we have to do addition. 0 keep it as it is. 0 plus 2 is 2. Yet again we have to keep it as it is. This is about the multiplying by tens. One more example. One more example. 25 into 100. 25 into 20. Again, we are multiplying 2-digit number by 2-digit number. Write the place value. Tens, ones. Why? Because it is having only two numbers. Copy the numbers in a place. 2, 5. 2, 5. Next 20. Right? 2, 0. Put the multiplication symbol. X. Then you have to multiply ones place with the ones place and tens place. First you have to multiply with the ones place, then you have to multiply with the tens place. Yes. Again we are using the property number 2. What is the property number 2? Multiply any number by 0. You get the 0 as the product. 0 into 5 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. So the ones place is over. Put the plus in the ones place. Next we are going to multiply with the tens place. This is the number here 2. So 2 into 5 is 2 5s are 10. Here 10 is there. So what is the number we have to write down here? Always the ones place. This is in the ones place and this is in the tens place. Always ones place you have to write the down. You have to write down. And the tens place you have to write the carry. Ones place you have to write here down. Tens place you have to put the carry to the forward number. Forward number. So here 0 you keep down. 1 you should put the carry here. Yes. So 2 5s are 10. 1 is carried to the tens place. Next you have to multiply tens place to the tens place. 2 2s are 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5. This number is in the hundreds place because here 1, second and third. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So write the hundreds place there. Next what we have to do the division. See here 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5, right? As it is. So this is we require result, that is product. So this is about the multiplying the tens. Multiplying by tens. Here we have did the multiplication of 25 into 20. So next is multiplying by hundreds. Multiplying by hundreds. Which number is there in hundreds? Multiplying by hundreds, 200s, up to 900. Yes. So here now we are multiplying with the hundreds. For example, it was 3 into 100. What we are doing here? We are doing multiplying with the 3 into 100. Always first you have to write the highest number. Which is the highest number here? 100. Multiply 100 by 3. So first you have to write the place value. 100, tens, ones. Yes? Write the number 100. So 1, 0, 0. Next we have to multiply by 3. Multiply 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 3 ones are 3. So this is they have solved by using the multiplication property. Property number 1 and 2. Using that two properties, they have solved this question. That is 100 into 3. So 100 into 3 is 300. This is our required product. Yes. Next is one more example. That is 36 into 100. Here we have multiplied by 3 digit by 1 digit. Here we are multiplying 3 digit by 2 digit. Here 100 is the 3 digit and 36 is the 2 digit. We are multiplying 3 digit by 2 digit. Write the place value chart, that is 100, tens and ones. Multiplying by, write the number 100 multiplying by 36. Yes. Again, we are using the properties number 1 and 2. Property number 1 and 2. Multiply 6 into 0 is 0. 6 into 0 is 0. 6 ones are 6. So here ones place is over now. Yes, we have multiplied ones place with the ones place, tens place and 100 place. Next, we are going to multiply with the tens place. Put the plus symbol here. Yes. Multiply 3 into 0 is 0. Again 3 into 0 is 0. 3 ones are 3. Yes. So this is the thousands place. 4 numbers are there now. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So write the thousand place. 0 as it is. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. Right? 3 as it is. Yes? So this is our required result. If you multiply 3-digit number by 2-digit number, we get the 4-digit number. That is 3600. This is our required product. Next is multiplying 2-digit number by 2-digit number. Here we are multiplying 2-digit number by 2-digit number or 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Multiplying by 2-digit number. Here we are taking the 3-digit number and multiplying by 2-digit number. For example, 312 multiplied by 21. Here 312 is the 3-digit number multiplying by 2-digit number. Write the place value chart: 100, tens, ones and thousand. Yes. Copy the number 312 multiplied by 21. Yes. Multiply 1 2s are 2. Yes. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. 1 3s are 3. Yes. Plus, because one's place is over now. We have multiplied with the ones place with the 1, 10 and 100. The next is tens place. Multiply tens place with the ones place. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Yes. Now we have to add 2 as it is. 1 plus 4 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 as it is. So this is our required product, required result. What we have did here? We have multiplied 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Here first we have multiplied with the ones place with the ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Then we have kept the addition symbol. Next we have a multiply with the tens place, with the ones place, tens place and hundred place. We wrote here down. Then we have with the addition of these two numbers. This is our required result. Next is one more example. 518 multiplied by 11. One more example. Example number 2. 518 is multiplied by 11. Again, we are multiplying 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Copy the number hundreds, tens, ones, and thousand. So 518. Write in hundreds place 5, tens place 1, and ones place is 8. And we are multiplying with the 11. 11. Yes. Here again we are using the property number 1. What is the property number 1? Multiply with any number but 1, we get the same number as the product. Multiply 1 8 is 8, 1 1 is 1, 1 5 is 5. Here 1's place is over now. Put the addition symbol. Then we have to multiply with the tens place. So again 1 8 is 8, 1 1 is 1, 1 5 is 5. Yes. Next is addition. Add 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 as it is. So we have multiplied 3-digit number by 2-digit number. That is 518 by 11. First multiply 1's place with the all the 3 places. That is ones, tens, and hundreds. 1 8 is 8, 1 1 is 1, 1 5 is 5. Next we have multiplied with the tens place. So 1 8 is 8, 1 1 is 1, 1 5 is 5. Then we have to do addition of these two numbers. 8 as it is. 8 plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 we have kept as it is. So like this, you have to solve the problems from your textbook. Yes, I hope all of you doing good. Thank you.